Hi children, now take your book and pencil to split the words. You should read along with me. Okay, let's start the lesson. Interior of the earth, volcanoes. Interior of the earth, volcanoes. Book page number 148. Volcanoes. A volcano is a vent or an opening in the earth crust through which hot magma erupts from deep below the surface. The opening is usually circular in form. Volcanic eruptions may also take place through a long crack or fissure through which steam and other materials flow out. The molten rock material within the earth together with gases is called magma. After it rises to the surface, it is called as lava. In course of time, lava and other materials flow out of a volcano, accumulate around the opening and form a conical hill or a mountain vent is an opening or mouth of a volcano. The top of this cone is usually marked by a funnel-shaped depression which is called a crater. If the crater of the volcano is of great size and is shaped like a basin, it is called the caldera. Calderas are caused by violent explosions which blow away entire tops of great cones. Causes of volcanic activity. The temperature increases as the depth increases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 35 meters. There is also great pressure. At a depth of about 15 km, the pressure is about 5 tons per centimeter square of rock. Under this circumstance, the interior of the earth is in a semi-molten state called magma. The magma under great pressure has the capacity to dissolve great volume of gas. Some gases are also combustible. This makes volcanic material burst forth through the weak spots in the earth's crust. Fact: the scientific study of volcanoes are called volcanology. People who study volcanoes are called volcanologists. Nature of volcanic eruption. Sometimes magma rises slowly to the surface and spread over a vast area. This is known as fissure eruption. Some plateaus and plains have been formed in this way. Example: Deccan Plateau in India and the Columbian Plateau in North America. If the magma rises quickly to the surface, lava is thrown high into the atmosphere. Besides lava, ash, steam, gases and pieces of rocks are also thrown out. This type of eruption is known as explosive eruption. The terrible explosion on the island of Krakatoa, 27th August 1883 in Indonesia is an example for explosive types of eruption. Lava flow is affected by viscosity. For example, honey has high viscosity, so it flows slowly, whereas water has low viscosity, so it is flows easily. The viscosity of lava is determined by the amount of silica and water in magma. Highly viscosity lava is rich in silica and little water. Low viscosity lava has little silica but a lot of water. It moves rapidly, forming smooth flows. Do you know Barren Island is situated in the Andaman Sea and lies about 138 km northeast of the territory's capital. It is only in active volcano along the chain from Sumatra to Myanmar. Last eruption occurred in 2017. Types of volcanoes. The shape of a volcano depends on the type of lava and the force of the eruption. On the basis of shape, there are three types of volcanoes. They are shield volcano, cinder cone volcano, composite volcano. Sealed volcano. A sealed volcano is formed by quiet eruption of lava with a low silica content. Such a volcano has a wide base and a cone with gentle slopes. Volcanoes of the Hawaii Islands are of this type. Cinder cone volcano. Silica-rich magma traps gases inside the volcano until enough pressure is built to push the magma out of the earth crust. When this type of volcano erupts, it shoots gases, ash, etc. with great force, throwing them several kilometers up into the atmosphere. Such volcanoes have steep slopes and are made of cinder and ash. They are known as cinder cone volcanoes. Many volcanoes of Mexico and Central America belong to this group. Composite volcano. Composite volcanoes are made of alternate layers of lava, cinder and ash. They are also called stratovolcano. St. Helens is an example of composite volcano. Volcanoes are also grouped according to their periodicity of eruption, such as active, dormant and extinct. These names refer to the state of activity rather than the types of volcanoes. Active volcanoes that erupt frequently are called active volcanoes. Most of the active volcanoes lie in the Pacific Ring of Fire Belt, which lies along the Pacific coast. There are about 600 active volcanoes in the world, such as Mount Stromboli in Mediterranean Sea, St. Helens in USA, Pinatubo in Philippines, Mauna Loa in the Hawaii, 3,255 meter is the world's biggest active volcano. Next page. Stromboli is known as the lighthouse of Mediterranean Sea. Dormant volcanoes have shown no sign of activity for many years, but they may become active at any time. It is also called sleeping volcano. Vesuvius mountain of Italy, Mount Fujiyama in Japan, Mount Krakatoa of Indonesia are famous examples of this types. Extinct. The top of extinct volcanic mountains have been eroded. Mount Popa of Myanmar, Mount Kilimanjaro and Mount Kenya of Africa are examples of extinct volcanoes. Distribution of volcanoes in the world. Volcanoes are located in a clearly defined pattern around the world. They are closely related to regions that have been intensely folded or faulted. There are about 500 active volcanoes and thousands of dormant and extinct ones. They occur along the coastal mountain ranges, as offshore islands and in the midst of oceans, but there are a few in the interior of continents. The volcanic belts along are also the principal earthquake belts of the world. There are three major zones of volcanic activities in the world. They are Circum-Pacific Belt, Mid-Continental Belt, Mid-Atlantic Belt. First one, Circumbelt. This is the volcanic zone of the convergent ozonic plate boundary. It includes the volcanoes of the eastern and western coastal areas of Pacific Ocean. This zone is popularly termed as the Pacific Ring of Fire, which has been estimated to include two-thirds of the world's volcanoes, mid-continental belt. This is the volcanic zone of convergent continental plate boundaries that includes, next page, the volcanoes of alpine mountain chains, the Mediterranean Sea and the fault zone of eastern Africa. The important volcanoes are Vesuvius, Stromboli, Etna, Kilimanjaro and Kenya. Surprisingly, the Himalayas have no active volcanoes at all. Mid-Atlantic Belt. This belt represents the divergent boundary of plates located along the mid-Atlantic ridges. Volcanoes of this area are mainly of fissure eruption type. Iceland is the most active volcanic area. Land is located on the mid-Atlantic ridge. St. Helena and Azores Island or other examples. Up to this lesson completed. Now take your material to split the word. First Roman, fifth cuisine. What is volcano? First Roman, fifth cuisine. What is volcano? A volcano is a vent or an opening in the earth's crust through which hot magma erupts from deep below the surface. The opening is usually circular in form. Sixth cuisine. Name the three types of volcanoes based on shapes. Name the three types of volcanoes based on shapes. On the basis of shape, there are three types of volcanoes. They are shield volcano, cinder cone volcano, composite volcano. Seventh cuisine. How does volcano make an island? How does volcano make an island? Some volcano is found under oceans. If any under water volcano keep erupting, it can rise above the ocean surface and thus an island is formed. How does volcano make an island? Some volcano is found under oceans. If any under water volcano keeps erupting, it can rise above the ocean surface and thus an island is formed. Next, third Roman, first cuisine, Sial and Saima. First point, the upper part of the earth crust. The upper part of the earth crust. Saima, the lower part of the earth crust. The lower part of the earth crust. Second point, it has silica and alumina referred to as Sial. It has silica and alumina referred to as Sial. Second point, it has silica and magnesium called Saima. It has silica and magnesium called Saima. Third point, it has granite rocks and forms of continents. It has granite rocks and forms of continents. Continuous zone of denser basaltic rocks forming ocean floor. Continuous zone of denser basaltic rocks forming ocean floor. Second question, shield volcano, composite volcano. Shield volcano. The shield volcano is formed by quiet eruption of lava with a low silica content. Composite volcano. Composite volcanoes are made of alternate layers of lava under an ash. Second cuisine. Example, volcanoes of the Hawaii Islands. Example, volcanoes of the Hawaii Islands. Example, St. Helens in USA. St. Helens in USA. Third cuisine, active volcano, dormant volcano. First cuisine, active volcanoes erupt frequently. Dormant volcanoes. Dormant volcanoes have shown no sign of activity for many years but may become active at any time. Second point, example, St. Helens in USA, Pinatubo in Philippines. Example of dormant volcano, Mount Fujiyama in Japan, Mount Krakatoa of Indonesia. Okay, next fourth Roman, second cuisine and third cuisine. Describe the classification of volcanoes based on the eruption. First point, volcanoes are also grouped according to the periodicity of eruptions such as active, dormant and extinct. This name refers to the state of activity rather than the types of volcanoes. Active volcanoes that erupt frequently are called active volcanoes. Most of the active volcanoes lie in the Pacific Ring of Fire belt, which lies along the Pacific coast. There are about 800 active volcanoes in the world, such as Mount Stromboli in Mediterranean Sea, St. Helens in USA, and Pinatubo in Philippines. Mount Loa in Hawaii is the world's biggest active volcano. Dormant volcanoes have shown no sign of activity for many years, but they may become active at any time. It is also called sleeping volcano. Vesuvius mountain of Italy, Mount Fujiyama in Japan, Mount Krakatoa of Indonesia are famous examples of these types. Extinct volcanoes. The top of extinct volcanic mountains have been eroded. Mount Popo of Myanmar, Mount Kilimanjaro and Mount Kenya of Africa are examples of extinct volcanoes. Third question, name the major zones of volcanic activity and explain any one. There are three major zones of volcanic activities in the world. They are Circum-Pacific Belt, the Mid-Continental Belt, the Mid-Atlantic Belt. The Circum-Pacific Belt. This is the volcanic zone of the convergent ozonic plate boundary. It includes the volcanoes of the eastern and western coastal areas of Pacific Ocean. This zone is popularly termed as Pacific Ring of Fire, which has been estimated to include two-thirds of the world volcanoes. Fourth question, the earth interior is very hot. Why? The earth interior is very hot. Why? The innermost layer of the earth is called core and it has two parts, the outer core and the inner core. The outer core is rich in iron and is in liquid state. Inner core is made of nickel and ferrous, which is in solid state. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. Fifth question, are volcanoes destructive or constructive? Destructive effects. Volcanoes cause earthquakes, fast floods, mudslides and rock falls. Dust and ash that come out of volcanoes are very harmful to living things. Constructive effects. Volcanoes provide nutrient to the surrounding soil as volcanic and as contains minerals beneficial to plants. Some plateaus and plains are formed due to volcanic eruption. They cool off the earth, removing heat from the interior. Now, worksheet. First Roman, choose the correct answer. The earth is divided into dash concentric layers A4, B3, C2. Second question, earthquake of magnitude dash scale can cause damage from things falling. A 3.0, B 4.0, C 5.0. Third question, if the crater of the volcano is of great size and is shaped like a brain, it is called a dash. A vein, B crater, C caldera. Fourth question, the constituents of silica and alumina is called dash. A simi, B sial, C silu. Fifth question, the earth is called as dash planet. A blue, B green, C red. Sixth question, the dash is the part of the mantle. A astrosphere, B atmosphere, C barysphere. Second Roman, find the wrong pair. A earth, Right side and left side I am saying Earth, blue planet. Second question, core, barysphere. Third, earthquake lighthouse. Fourth, crust, outermost layer. Then B. First question, mantle, Mohorovic discontinuity. Core, Weizsäcker-Gutenberg. 3. Earthquake crater, 26 December 2004, tsunami. Fill in the blanks with the unscrambling words. First question, the scientific study of volcanoes is called dash. Second question, the people who study volcanoes are called dash. Third question, lava flow is affected by dash. Fourth question, Barren Island is situated in the dash. Fifth question, dash is known as the lighthouse of Mediterranean Sea. Fourth Roman, circle the odd one. Active volcano, dormant volcano, extinct volcano, shield volcano. Okay, you want to circle the odd one. Second question, Mount Popa, Mount Fujiyama, Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Kenya. Third question, Vesuvius, Stromboli, St. Helena, Etna. Fifth Roman, first question, answer in one word. First question, what is the radius of the earth? What is the radius of the earth? Second question, name the point where the vibrations originate in an earthquake. Name the point where the vibrations originate in an earthquake. Third question, what is the point of the earth's surface directly above the focus called? Fourth question, what is an example of composite volcano? Fifth question, when did the eruption of Barren Island occur? Sixth question, what is the composition of Saima? Seventh question, name the instrument that is used to measure the earthquake. Seventh question, name the instrument that is used to measure the earthquake. Okay, up to this period completed, you should write all the question, take a photo and send your answer through WhatsApp. Okay, thank you students. See you in next class.